Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See, children, in our last session, we have discussed about the negative forms and the question forms. How to write the negative forms and question forms. Today also again, we are going to discuss in detail about the negative and question forms. Now let us recall, children, what we have discussed in this topic. Negatives and questions. See, children, in our previous sessions we have discussed that whenever we are talking about the helping verb, we have to add not with the helping verb to write the negative. And when we are talking about the questions with the negative, questions with the helping verbs, we have to start our question with the helping verb. I'll take few examples, then we will go for the main verb, children. This is chapter number 4 in our grammar textbook. Just I am explaining for your convenience, third chapter. Okay, the first statement, if you take, children, the bus was late. This is a statement, and I have been told to write the negative as well as the question form. Now I told you to write the negative as well as the question form. Before to start the negative and the question or the question form, first you identify the subject and the verb of the given sentence. Here the bus is the subject, was is the helping verb. So here easily I have identified the subject and the helping verb. What I have explained, whenever we are writing the statements, negative statements with the helping verbs, we have to add not. The bus wasn't late. The bus wasn't late. Okay. Simply I have added not with the was and I wrote the negative form. And it is when we are talking about the question form, we have to start our question with was. We have to start our question with the helping verb. Was the bus late? And write the question mark See, children, it is very easy to write the negative form and the question form with the helping verb. Let us discuss one more example. Okay, then we will discuss the further. Girls were in the park. In the park. See, children, where are the girls? Girls were in the park. Who is the doer of the action? What is the subject of the given sentence, children? Girls. Girls is the subject. And here, where is the helping verb? Okay, where is the helping verb? To write the negative form, what I have told to you, we have to add not with the helping verb to write the negative form of the given sentence. Girls weren't in the park. Girls weren't in the park. And when we are talking about the question form, we have to start our question with helping verb, where girls in the park. This is all about the helping verbs. When we have helping verbs in the sentence, how to write the negative and how to write the question form. Now, children, let us discuss about the verb forms. If there is a main verb in the sentence, how to write. First we will discuss when there is V1, what we have to do to write the negatives and the question forms. Okay. Once if you see, it is very easy, children, to write the negative form and the question form. Now children, I am giving you only V1 form. Okay. Whenever there is only verb form, first form of the verb or the base form, how we can write the negatives and the questions. V1 form. Only I am explaining V1 form of the verb. Then we will go into the depth. Then we will go into the depth of the topic. Now first one. We go to school by bus. We go to school by bus. Okay, children. Suppose this is a sentence. Here, if you see, children, we is the subject. Go. Go is the V1 form. First form. Go, went, gone. So, go is the first form of the verb. And these are the remaining all are known as other words or the objects. Okay. And when we are writing the negative and the question form, see children, already I have explained to you. Whenever we have V1 in the sentence, you have to add do not to write the negative form. Whenever we have V1 in the sentence, you have to write do not. We don't go to school by bus. We don't go to school by bus. Okay, this is the negative form. We have to add don't. Whenever we have V1 in the sentence, we have to use don't in the negative form. And we have to start the question form with do. We have to start our question form with do. Do we go to school? By bus. This is the question form. And at the end you have to write the question form. Is it clear? Let us take one more example. Boys attend their classes. Okay children, this is the statement. Boys attend their classes. Here boys is the subject, attend V1. Whenever we are having V1 in the sentence, to write the negative form, we have to add do not. For the negative, don't. For the question form, do. Okay. Don't do. Here, to write the negative form, boys don't attend their classes. Okay, when we are talking about the question form, we have to start our question with do. Do boys attend their classes? Do boys attend their classes? If you observe the two statements, we have to observe it clearly, children. Whenever we are having V1 form in the sentence, we are using do not to write the negative form, and we are starting our question with do. Okay, first you have to identify the verb form. Here I have explained when you are having a V1 in the sentence. When you are having V1 in the sentence, how to write the negative, how to write the question form. Now children, we will discuss about V1 with yes. Whenever you are having V1 with yes, how to write the negative and how to write the question form. Very interesting topic, children. Negatives and the questions. Two forms till now we have learnt only with the helping verbs and another with the V1. Now today we are going to learn about V1 with the yes or yes. Already I have discussed with you, children. Whenever we have V1 with yes or yes, to write the negative form you have to add doesn't, and you have to start the question with does. This is for negative and this is for question form. Okay, you have to start the question with does. My father works in factory. This is a sentence. To write the negative form and the question form. See, children. Now, before to write the negative form and the question form, always you have to identify the verb form and the subject. Here, my father is the subject. Works, V1 with yes. V1 with yes, you have to add doesn't. My father doesn't work in factory. My father doesn't work in factory. Now we have to start the question with does. Does your father, here my father given, if I ask question, does your father work in factory? Work in factory. At the end, children, you have to write the question form. In this way, we have learned how to write the negative with yes or yes. Let us take one more statement, children. Misha speaks good English. Now if you are here having Misha is the subject, speaks, V1 with yes. Now I am writing the negative form, children. Misha doesn't speak good English. This is the negative form. And when we are talking about the question form, does Misha speak good English? Now this is the question mark. Now in this way we have learned to write the questions and the negatives with the helping verbs, with the V1 form and with the V1 with the yes or yes. And one more important thing here we have to discuss before to conclude the class, before to finish the class. Here when I am writing does not, if you have observed here I wrote work only, I wrote V1 only. Why I wrote V1? Already here we wrote doesn't, do plus es. So whenever we have V1 with yes or yes once in the statement, you have to use V1, or fix in your mind whether it may be V1, whether it may be V1 with yes or yes, you have to use V1 form in the negative as well as in the question. Okay. So once revise these helping verbs, V1 form and V1 with yes or yes. How to write the negative form and the question form. Tomorrow we will continue the class. Okay, children. Have a nice day, all of you.